Alright, so got some new parts for this thing because that happened. So and that happened. So got new animal Edwin grips, Eastern bar ends, and animal pedals. So I'll have those on and like. Okay, so I got things changed up here. Got the animal PC Steve Hamilton pedals with and then on the up here on the bars I got Eastern bar ends with animal Edwin Dolarosa grips. Better go with the rest of the bike. I got a GT Phantom stem in the 25.4 millimeter size. Got 2009 DJ2s out of the box Air 100 mils. Kenda small block 8, 26 inch by 23.5. Havoc frame, pivotal C-post checkered design, stock cranks, and sprocket, chain, hub, rim, back tires K-Rad. And that should be it. F-stay headset. Got NTN new bearings sealed. And stubby seat post. Got nice and scratches on my frame. Like that, huge one. I think it's a 30 by 10. Like sprocket. Black market Bada Booms, 30 or 28 by 3 inch rise, 8 degree back sweep, 10 degree F sweep. Or no, I don't even know. Anyways.
Okay. Take your bars over some boxes or something?
No.
Why?
I don't need to.
Why? You're just gonna scratch them. Come on, man.
Wanna go?
Yeah, pussy. Whoa. Break it up. Come on. No, really. Come on. No.
Hey, what?